In this video, I'll show you how to draw a male face from scratch. First, draw a circle. Try to make your construction lines as light as possible. Next, make a line through the center vertically and horizontally. Measure half the circle's diameter and add it to the bottom to get the chin. Now draw the cheeks and jawline. Draw a line down the whole face vertically. Now we're going to split the entire head in half by drawing a horizontal line going through the very center. Split the bottom section of the face in half and then in half again. Let's do the same thing with the top portion of the head. These lines are for the eyes, nose, lips, and hair. On the eye line, split your face into 5 equal sections, taking the full width of the head into account. Draw your eyes in the appropriate spaces. I'm just going to give this guy some thick eyebrows, not too curved, and keeping them close to the eyes for a calm facial expression. Now let's add the nose. Draw a line coming down from the inner corner of each eye. This gives us a nice set of boundaries to draw within. For a medium length nose, I'm going to draw the nose a little higher than the nose line. For the mouth, draw your boundary lines coming from the center of each eye. Directly below the nose, draw a triangle that stretches down to the line labeled lips. Place your Cupid's bow a fair distance from the nose. Below that, draw the opening of the mouth while staying within the boundaries. Define the corners of the mouth and then connect them to the Cupid's bow to form the top lip. At the triangle's base, draw the bottom lip. Finally, define the opening of the mouth by drawing a wavy line starting in the middle of the triangle. For the hair, start at the line labeled hair and draw the sides and sideburns. I like to draw the top part between these two lines. Males tend to have hairlines that are very angular and well-defined. Let's give this guy a cool, trendy hairstyle, long at the top and shorter at the sides.